Now I want to teach you a new method called tabulation method, which is also known as Quine-MC-Kluski method. This method is also used for minimize a Boolean function like kmap. I am going to teach you the same method with one problem. First I will consider a problem. When I am solving the problem, I will teach you the process how we have to follow to find out to minimize the function. So this method, the group of minterms will be having now this problem we are going to solve in tabulation method. So foremost thing, first you have to write all the minterms in binary representation of them. Suppose the minterm 0 binary representation is 4 zeros. And minterm 1, the binary representation is 0001. Minterm 2, 0010. And minterm 8, 1000. And minterm 10, 1010. Minterm 11, 1011. Minterm 14, 1110. And the last one, 4 ones for minterm 50. Now, for solving the problem in tabulation method, you have to group the minterms as per the number of ones contained. For example, if you observe this 0 which is having no number of ones, that means 0 number of ones. So in 0 number of ones group, you will be having minterm 0. Likewise, minterm 15 will be in all 4 number of ones group. In between, you will be having all the minterms. 1 number of one group, 2 number of one group, 3 number of one group. If you consider these 3 will come into 1 number of one group. This is 2 number of one group and this is 3 number of one group. Like this, I am going to make a column A, which is the first column in tabulation method, which is 0 number of ones group minterm 0, and 1 number of ones group minterm, and 2 number of ones group, 1 number of ones group, whatever the minterms you have, write all the minterms. So these are come under 1 number of ones group. Next one, 2 number of ones group, minterm 10. I am writing the minterm value, decimal value in brackets. And 3 number of ones group, minterm 11 and minterm 14. And the last one, 4 number of ones group, minterm 15. So in column A, what we have done? We have just grouped the minterms as per the number of ones contained. In column B, you have to just compare the minterms. You have to compare the minterms. The number of zeros group will be compared with one group. Number of minterms, one group. 1 minterm number of group will be compared with 2 number of minterms group. 2 minterms group will be compared with 3 number of minterms group. 3 will be compared with 4. This is the last possibility we have. So if we compare 0 number of ones group with 1 number of ones group, then you will be having, you have to follow certain rules. The rules are, the difference between the 2 minterms will be a power of 2, or the distance between the 2 code words must be 1. If they are having more than one distance, they cannot be comparable. So if I consider 0 and 1, 4 zeros is the minterm binary representation of 0. 0001 is the binary representation of 1. If I compare the distance between these two, that means the number of bits change. That is 1. So these two can be comparable. So if I compare, so what is the variable change? Which variable is varying? That variable will be varying variables will be represented by a dash. Constant variables will be as it is written. If suppose I just compare minterm 0 with minterm 1, I will be having the comparison 0, 0, 0. Under B, you will be having a change. Here 0, here it is 1. So you just indicate this as dash. 0, 0, 0 dash will be the comparison after comparing 0 with 1. Next one, 0 and 2 are comparable or not? How we are going to verify? We will verify by finding the distance between these two code words. 4 zeros and 0, 0, 1, 0. The distance between these two code words is 1. So you can compare 0 and 2. If you compare 0 and 2, the thing you are going to get is under C variable they are changing. So 0, 0 dash 0 will be the representation for 0 and 2 comparison. 0 and 8 also comparable because they are having unit distance between them. So dash 0, 0, 0 will be the representation by comparing 0 and 8. That is the maximum possibility. 0 will be compared with 1, 2, 8. 3 possibilities we have. All the 3 are valid possibilities. That's why we have written 3 here. And minterm 1 number of group now will be compared with 2 number of ones group. 1 and 10. The distance between these two code words 1 and 10 is 3. So they cannot be comparable. And 2 and 10. The distance between these two code words is only 1. Dash 0, 1, 0 is a comparison for 2 and 10. And the next one, 8 and 10, they are having unit distance. 1, 0 dash 0 will be the comparison for 8 and 10. That's it. No other possibility you have. 1 and 10 cannot be compared. So only 2 possible comparisons we have. That 2 we have listed here. And next one, 2 number of ones group will be compared with 3 number of ones group. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1 dash you are going to get for 10 and 11. And 10 and 14 you will be having 1 dash 1, 0 for 10 and 14. They are having unit distance. That's why we compared. And 3 number of ones group is compared with 4 number of ones group. 1, 0, 1, 1. 1 dash 1, 1 for comparing 11 and 15. And 1, 1, 1 dash for 14 and 15. These are the possible comparisons we have. So as you have used 0 and 1, you just place a tick mark in front of 0 and 1. 0 and 2 also used. So 2 is useful. 8 also you have used. Here you have used 8. And 10 also you have used here. And 11 you have used. And 14 you have used. 15 also you have used. So place a tick mark in front of the minterms which you have used. So which you doesn't use, for them you can write cross mark in front of them which you have not used. Now you are going to write column C, which is the comparison between these two column B sections when they are having dash at same place. If you say 0, 1, comparison dash at D place. Do you have dash at D place in the section 2? Here? No. So dash at D, you don't have any possibility here in this section. So you cannot compare. Dash at C? Yes, you have. What is the distance between these two code words where dash at C is available? 0, 0 dash 0, 1, 0 dash 0. So dash 0 dash 0 is the comparison with which you got for 0, 2 and 8, 10. Okay, next one, dash at A place. You have that possibility. Dash 0 dash 0. This is because of 0, 8 to 10. That's it. Next 2 sections. Dash at A place, you don't have. Dash at C place, you don't have. So for these 2 sections, you don't have any possibility. Next 2 sections you are going to compare. 1 0 dash at D place you have 1 0 1 dash 1 1 1 dash. So 1 dash 1 dash will be the comparison which is you got from 10 11 14 15. And next one dash at B place 1 dash which is for dash at B place. This is because of 10 14 11 15. Okay. Do you have any further possibilities? No. Section D, if suppose you have any possibility to compare at section C, you can have a section D also. For this problem, you don't have section D because dash at A place is not available, dash at C place is not available, these two sections. So, if you just consider here, this min-term prime implicant can be written as B complement, D complement. Why I have written B complement, D complement? Here the B value is 0 and D value is 0. And remaining variables are varying. So, B complement, D complement. Here also B complement, D complement. From the postulate x plus x always, this x will be same. Here it is EAD. So, here you have used 0 to 8, 10. 0 to 8, 10. And 0, 8 to 10. And 10, 11, 14, 15. And 10, 14, 11, 15. But this is not useful. You have not used this one 000-1. So your answer will be B complement D complement plus AD plus A complement B complement C complement because of this one. This is the tabulation method answer. The same answer you are going to get when you solve the problem with K-map also. If you have any doubts, you can verify your answer with K-map. Thank you.